all beautiful souls. Wholeness, oneness, absoluteness is the true nature of human beings. It means a single unit, not broken, divided, or fragmented at all. Someone is born with entireness, completeness. This universe is full of real abundance, which you are the part, or you are the full yourself. You are the universe within yourself. Due to rumors and propaganda of millions of years, someone is deeply attached, divided, self-centered, ego-based. A person becomes the storehouse of narrow confinement, divided into the traditions, groups, communities, and talking the big philosophies of oneness also. It is a very deep topic. We are ready for any discussion with anyone. Let us restore our true nature of wholeness, absoluteness. Let us grow and broaden in our consciousness and in our perspective. Best wishes of Aram Das to the whole world.